Short story writing. Short story writing. What is short story? First of all, we will know what is story and what is short story. Short story is an account of fictional incidents narrated in an interesting manner. Means it is narrated, it is written in an interesting manner. That is shorter than a novel. It focuses on one plot and few characters with one central theme. Means it is having one central theme. What is the purpose of the story? To make the student understand, to think wider about related issues. What is the issue is given to you? Means topic of the story. This is just to make you understand wider. Means your thinking must be extended. Second, to improve their creative thinking and writing skills. Means to improve the creative thinking and writing skills of the student. Let us know the marking scheme. Title and opening will carry 1 mark. Fluency 2 marks. Accuracy 2 marks. Content 5 marks. Points to remember. First point means when we are writing the story, we must remember these points. The title of the story should be brief, direct and catchy. It should be brief, direct and catchy. Second one, first paragraph should be catchy, which attracts the reader's interest with something unusual and unexpected. Means whenever you are going to write any story, that must be very attractive. Means when you start to write that, you should write something that the reader must attract and the reader can take the interest in that. Next, theme of the story should be interesting and attract the reader's attention. Same thing. Hence, reader's attention must be attracted. The middle position should contain the plot of the story. Okay, after just opening the story, the middle will come and the middle position should contain the plot of the story. The story events must be written in logic sequence. It should be in logic sequence. Check the spellings and the punctuation mark used. Means spelling must be correct. There should be variety in the constructions of the sentences. Long or short sentence must be written. A story to be written in past tense, not in present tense. Climax should be clear and thrilling. Create the plot so as to captivate the reader's attention. Again, I am telling you, means your story must be very catchy, very attractive. Stick to the word limit 150 to 100. If necessary, have a moral for the story. Let's see the example. Write a story in 150 to 100 words, starting with the prompt given below. Means some a line, 2 lines are given. You must start. Sometimes hints also given. Let's see what is the story. Raghav walked fast. It was getting dark. He then realized that he had lost his way. This is the starting line and you must continue the line. We have given the title A Foolish Suspense. We are continuing the story, the given hints, with the help of given hints. Means so he walked. He means Raghav walked fast as it was getting dark. His family had shifted to this locality just last month and he was still not sure about the area. Means he was new for that area. That is why he was not aware about the road and ways. That is why he was just walking fast so that he can reach his home. He took the shortcut through the park but then realized that he had taken the wrong exit. Means he was not able to realize it fast that he was going through the wrong way. But now he realized. He walked, means Raghav walked on for a while, but panic was creeping in. Means he was getting disturbed. He wanted to reach home as soon as possible. He soon realized that he had lost his way because he did not see the familiar landmarks. He wanted to turn back, but he did not want to go through the park again. The park from where he was just come. He doesn't want to go. He glanced at his watch. He glanced at his watch and was horrified to see that it was 10 o'clock. He knew his mother must be waiting for him. Suddenly, he heard the footsteps behind him and thinking someone was following him. He walked faster because he was afraid here. He was thinking that someone is just following him, chasing him. That is why he started fast. He started running when he heard the footstep getting nearer. He did not know where he was going, but he ran until he fell down. Means he was not believing himself. That is why in the fear he was just running. Someone grabbed him and Raghav screamed loudly. He cried, he shouted in fear. He heard his brother calling out to him. Means he was his brother and he was afraid. Raghav breathed a sigh of relief. Oh, brother, you are, and went home with his brother. Moral: don't be panic in critical or problematic situation. Now, I'm just going to give you one question. You will write this question in your notebook and you will learn how to write the story with the help of the example and the hints given. Develop this story with the help of the given hints. Question number 1. It was a bright day and you were reading a book. This is the starting of the story. It was a bright day and you were reading a book in your lawn. Suddenly, a man came and threw a bag in your garden and ran away. You called out, but means you should continue the story now with the help of the given hints. What are the hints? Bag looked suspicious, called police, parent concerned, neighbors gathered, bomb squad called, opened the bag full of used article. When you saw the bag, bag was looked suspicious. That is why you called the police. Your parents were very concerned, okay, and neighbors also gathered over here. Then bomb squad were called, and they opened the bag, but bag was full of used clothes. So, my dear, you should write one title. You should write more of the story, and then you